Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, you guys have until 5:40.
Yep. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay. So, good evening to everyone. My name is Jia Jun, and I'll be representing my team to share a little bit about our industry project, Gateway, built in collaboration with Tenderboard. Okay, so for some context, Tenderboard is a B2B e-procurement system and marketplace. Essentially, they deliver a software as a service application to help streamline the cumbersome process of procurement. They are able to achieve this by digitizing the end-to-end process while enforcing procurement governance. So for our project Gateway, it actually serves as a key extension of Tenderboard's main system, which acts as an interface between Tenderboard and other external ERP platforms. To explain this, let me illustrate the current procurement process. Now, first, suppose the user wants to create a new customized purchase order and does so on Tenderboard. As part of an organization's accounting procedure, procurement information will also typically be tracked on their ERP software. Now, as such, the information from the customized purchase order has to be transferred to the ERP system while maintaining its data integrity. And this currently handled from within Tenderboard's backend system, which brings up two key problems. Firstly, different ERP systems could be expecting similar information with a different key or name. For example, order reference on the customized PO might be named PO reference on SAP or reference number on Oracle. As such, we must be able to identify what attribute from Tenderboard on the left matches with the corresponding output on the ERP from the right through a dedicated data mapping feature. Next, the user may also want to present data in a certain way on their ERP software. For example, the customized PO may keep track of date time information using a Unix timestamp, but the user may want to represent it using conventional day, month, year format on their ERP. So the current lack of data transformation feature does not allow the user to do this efficiently. At a high level, there's a lack of scalability in pushing out additional platform support. For every new ERP platform that Tenderboard wants to introduce to their system, there will be a substantial lag in developing the necessary requirements and support in the backend logic. The proposed solution Gateway helps to resolve these issues elegantly. Now, Gateway allows the creation of customized plugins that serve as an interface that connects to third-party ERP systems. You may think of it as a power plug or an adapter. And at its core, each plugin represents a connection to an ERP platform. It captures a user-defined mapping and transformation logic, serving as a tailored integration for each unique user. Within these plugins, the user is able to clearly and easily map the incoming attribute from Tenderboard to the outgoing expected attribute to be received on the ERP system. Additionally, further processing of the data through data transformation can be applied. From our initial example, the user is now able to configure the date format that fits their requirements. There are also many other types of array, text, and numerical manipulations that can be performed or chained for more complex transformations. Now, with Gateway, the key business value is in enabling rapid scalability and deployment. Users with vastly different needs can now create and control their integrations on the go without any hassle. Next, by using plugins, we can easily define the specific kind of input and data type that the new ERP systems are expecting, enabling immense scalability. So, to wrap up, Gateway represents a powerful step in enterprise tech, where cloud is increasingly powering the growth of software as a service platforms. And with the proliferation and increasing adoption of these cloud services, there's an increasing need to address the issue with fragmented systems. The integration aspect of Gateway is a positive step in this direction, ensuring that enterprise software is no longer relevant just for big MNCs, but applicable for SMEs as well. So as it stands, regardless of whether it's in procurement, HR, CRM, or even finance, companies no longer have to stick with comprehensive, full suite solutions to fully digitalize their operations, but have the freedom to select the best service for themselves. This concludes the end of my presentation. Thank you everyone for listening. Feel free to drop by our breakout room if you'd like to see a demonstration. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Team 2. Now we'll have Team 3